Volcanoes aren't just destroyers, they're creators, and they've shaped our planet in ways you can't imagine. Volcanoes form new land. Entire islands like Hawaii rise from the ocean, born from molten rock. When lava cools, it creates rich soil, perfect for life to thrive. That's why volcanic regions are often so fertile. They also shape mountains and change landscapes. Some volcanoes are taller than Mount Everest if measured from the seafloor, but their power can be deadly. Ash clouds can block sunlight, cool the earth, and even trigger climate shifts. Volcanoes are Earth's fiery power, destroying, building, and transforming our world every day. Follow PlanetWist for more amazing Earth secrets.